it's Alicia with Ali.plans.cuteness, and I have what I believe is my last video hauling all of the stuff that I got when I went to Dallas. Again, I don't know what order you'll see these in, so that may or may not be the last video you see, but I have here a bunch of like different tools and stamps and things like that that I picked up. So again, I went to Dallas and did a tour of like 12 different Ollies, found a bunch of different things, and so this is some of the more tool type stuff that I found. So I found this, so I thought this was just a really nice like, what's the right, X-Acto type knife, right? It's $4, so it wasn't like the cheapest, but it wasn't terrible. And then I found this later, which is $5 for like the same thing plus a ton of blades. So if I'd seen this first, even though I like the purple, I probably wouldn't have gotten it. I probably would have just gotten the green one. But I did pick up one of these because I thought having that extra set of blades, I'm sure that the blades are way more than $5 for a whole big pack. So I got one of these as well to go with that. I found this punch. I'm pretty sure that somebody who I swapped with has sent me one of these already, but when it comes to punches, obviously these are like such a huge deal, like in terms of being a lot cheaper, right? And so there's always people that I'm swapping with who I know are interested in these. So I grabbed one to have to share, because I obviously can't use, I mean I could, but I have no use for more than one, but I'm pretty sure I have one, and then if not, now I do. I found these wax seal kits. I just got one because I more like the seal itself. The wax is good, but when I make wax seals, I melt it in a thing. I don't know, the whole like lighting a flame on the wax itself and like having it drip and melt, I don't really get that. So actually the wax that has the wick in it is kind of annoying to me, but you know, still nice to have some wax, and then that seal for $1 is definitely a good deal. These, again, I'm pretty sure I have one of these, that somebody sent me one, but there was just like one or two of them, and I thought, you know, other crafty friends might want one, so I grabbed one of these. I found this, and this I'm kind of interested in playing with. So first I noticed like the different fixtures, and I was like, oh, maybe I can find ways to, you know, glue stuff to this to make pins or whatever. These little screws, I've seen people take like cabochons and stuff and put these little screws and make them into charms. And then I noticed on the back, they actually have these little tiny sort of like drills, right, to make little holes. And so that I thought would be a useful tool, because I don't have anything to make holes for this kind of stuff, and so I've never really tried. I don't know how effective this is. I don't know how well this works in things, but for $2 with all these fixtures and the tool, I thought it would be worth playing with to see if I can make some little charms. Found another like craft knife. This is a swivel knife. I feel like I've seen these before, and I don't know if I have the control to like use this effectively, or if it's just gonna like make a hot mess of cuts everywhere, but it was only $1, so I was like, let me give this a shot and see. Theoretically, you know, you could cut, like it shows here, wavy lines or curves, and it would be a lot easier than with just a straight one, but yeah, I don't know that I have the control to do that effectively, but we shall see. I grabbed some more pins. I had the yellow one, so part of this is just I like the different colors, and I had seen somebody with like a multi-color pack. They were like shorter pins, and they were showing how that would be more useful for like ribbons and stuff like that, but I don't think these are that. I think these are like the regular size pins, but $1. I like the little flower package, so I grabbed one of those. I also grabbed one of these for 99 cents. Again, I was thinking, I mean, these are like really thick pins for different materials, and so I was thinking, you know, if I need to poke holes in something, especially this, like if you look at the ends, I feel like they're kind of designed to poke through really like tough materials. And so maybe not necessarily sewing per se, but like, you know, punching holes in things. These could be useful. So I grabbed one of those. I got 2 little mini binders. I just thought they were cute. They were only $1. Well, this one's $1, this one's $1.50. Not totally sure how I'm going to use it, but I just thought for $1, this was a cute little album that could be used for different things. And then this one as well. I thought this design was really pretty. This was $1.50, so still not bad. And this one has a couple sheets in it, not a lot. That's the only thing with these is like, I think they'd be cute for organizing like little embellishments and stuff, but finding the little sleeves to go in there would be a pain. Although I suppose you could even just like I have the fuse tool. I feel like I could just make little sheets if I wanted to, although that might be more work than it's worth. But anyway, so I grabbed these 2 just to play with. And then I found a ton of different stamps, and I even found a die set, which is hopefully in here somewhere. Yes, here it is. So this was really cool. Again, none of these, you know, I was at 12 different stores, so this was across a bunch of different stores. But I found these dies, which to me, like finding dies for $1 is crazy. So I got a bunch of them to share and swap. But these are just like lots of fun little shapes, like this really cool kind of layered decorated square, and then these like scallops, right? We got this label, so super cool find. I was very happy with this. I think this was a store where like they had almost nothing, so this made it worth it. I was like, okay, I love getting the dies. I found these. I think they're really pretty. I can't remember if someone, some of these stamps, I'm pretty sure, again, people have sent me in, like Ollie's swaps, but, A, I wasn't totally sure, so I wanted to have one on hand, and B, if they did, then I probably just have the one, and so having a second one to share with somebody else, like these are things, stamps and dies are things that when I swap with people, they're usually interested in, so I just thought these were really pretty. I wish I had these in letters. These would be gorgeous letters, but this little floral numbers are cute. This sparkling, these are more like planner style, different icons and stamps, which I do use a planner, and I do like sometimes do different planning designs, so I thought that would be fun. This I was so excited to find. I think it's actually just so cute because they colored it in. I wonder if it would have been as cute to me if they weren't colored in, but you know, that's fine. Marketing, it works. But so I thought this was super cute. I was very excited to find these, and these I don't have, so that was very cool. And then this, like, I know I've got these before, but these were, this was at a store that, and I think I mentioned this with some stickers and stuff, they had stuff in multi-packs and they were not pulling them out. And so I thought for $1 to get 3 of these like retro style stamps, again, to share with others is a great deal. Like fun for like gifts and swaps or whatever. So I grabbed a pack of these. Again, this is one I think actually Lisa from Leave It's Lisa Crafts sent this to me, maybe. But I grabbed an extra one of those. This is so cute. I love these little animals. And so I think I have, I don't know, I have one animal already. I don't know if it's this one. But now I have this guy, which is so cute, this little wolf. These are just some fun sentiments. Excuse me. Everything is better when we are together. Find joy in the ordinary. Simply blessed. You are my person. Enough is a feast. I thank God for friends like you. Thank you. Sometimes the little things are actually the big things. And hello, friend. So I thought these were nice. Like, I liked the font. Really sweet little sentiments to put in like in the inside of a card. So I grabbed that. This one I think is adorable. So this one, not only is it cool because it has 3 in the pack, but look how cute. I am in love with these stamps. So like, you know, there's Hello Baby or Little One, but other than that, and like the pin, but all the rest of these, the lion, the little crown, the sun, the mountains, the cloud, the little leaf, Like, these all would be just adorable to play with, and you don't have to use them for babies at all. So I got this, so I have 3 sets because they're in that pack. This is another one I think I might have, but it was 3 in here, and so A, I wasn't totally sure, and B, if I do, I think somebody sent it to me. I don't think I've bought these. I don't know. I do have this collection also. Well, at this point, I've picked up quite a few things. I got some when Joann's went into clearance, and then I found, or other people have found, a lot of other things that go with this. So this matches, you know, that set, but also just fun to have like these different stencils to play with stamps or mixed media. And again, like, it was a 3-pack for $1, so even if I have them, obviously I can share them. I'm going to share them. I don't need 3 of any of these stencils. So I got those. And then these as well. I'm pretty sure I have at least one of each of these that somebody sent to me. And so I picked them up just in case. I like these little swirlies, but I'm almost positive I have them. But to me, again, it's not really a waste because like I've been sharing and swapping and sending things to people. So whether it's in a crafty swap where this is just a little gift, I think these are just very nice little gifts to send, or if it's in an Ollie swap where people don't have this in their area, I grab those. So that is my stamps and dies and tools and other things that I got on my Ollie's tour of Dallas. Thank you so much if you have been following along and watching. It was so much fun. And thank you so much. If you would like and subscribe, I need words. I would greatly appreciate it. I haven't been posting a ton because I'm back at work, but I'm trying to get some things posted, and so I'd still love to grow my followers and get to 1,000. And so if you could help with that, I would greatly appreciate it. Have a wonderful crafty day. Bye.